Hello and welcome to Elevate HR's Tips and Tricks for Dynamics 365 for Talent. Today we're going to talk about adding custom links to the employee self-service page in Talent. Employees can complete tasks and work items, take questionnaires, maintain certificates, skills, and goals, request time off, and perform other tasks from the employee self-service page. On the far side of the employee self-service page, you'll find the Additional Information section. This section will include several predefined links for employees to use to access information. But if there's more information you'd like to make available to employees, you can add additional links. For example, maybe you want to provide easy access to a third-party benefits provider, a third-party payroll provider, a travel booking website, or the website of a nearby cafeteria. On the Personnel Management Links page, click Human Resources Parameters. Then click Employee Self-Service. Under Set Up Links for Employees, click New Link. Provide a name, URL, and group for the link. The name will be displayed as the link text. The internet address is the URL the link will take employees to, and the group is the heading that the link will appear under. You can configure new groups for self-service links by typing a new value in the group field. Repeat for additional links. When you return to your employee self-service page, you will see the custom links you configured. That concludes our look at adding custom links to the employee self-service page. For more information about Dynamics 365 for Talent, contact Elevate HR for a demo.